Phylum Chordata. Animals belonging to Phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of a notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, and paired pharyngeal gill slits. These are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate with organ system level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. Let us see the comparison of chordates and non-chordates. Notochord is present in chordates. Notochord is absent in non-chordates. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow and single in chordates. In non-chordates, central nervous system is ventral, solid and double. In chordates, pharynx perforated by gill slits. Non-chordates, gill slits are absent. Heart is ventral in chordate. Heart is dorsal in non-chordate. Post-anal tail is present in chordates. Post-anal tail is absent in non-chordate. Phylum Chordata is divided into 3 subphyla. First one is Urochordata, also called Tunicata. Second, Cephalochordata. And third, vertebrata. Subphyla Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to as protochordates and are exclusively marine. In Urochordata, notochord is present only in larval tail, while in Cephalochordata it extends from head to tail region and is persistent throughout their life. Examples of Urochordata are Ascidia, Salpa, Doliolum. And examples of Cephalochordata are Branchiostoma, also called Amphioxus or lancelet. Coming to the vertebrata. The members of subphylum vertebrata possesses notochord during the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column in the adult. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Besides the basic chordate characters, vertebrates have a ventral muscular heart with 2, 3 or 4 chambers, kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation, and paired appendages which may be fins or limbs.